name is Elder Price, and I would like to share with you this most amazing book. Hello, my name is Elder Grant. It's a book about America a long, long time ago. It has so many awesome parts. You simply won't believe how much this book will change your life. Hello, my name is Elder Green. It's a book about America and Jesus Christ. If I could find a way to see this stray, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cold syrup to calm down, calm down. Alright, now we continue with the Book of Mormon. That's all I had. That was a one-time thing. I don't remember all the notes and the words and chords and whatever things. Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. Coming up now out of the blue. Oh, these zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum. Whoa, if I could find a way to see this stray, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run into the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. Waiting for this cold syrup to calm down, calm down. You're gonna be back? Solo, solo, solo. Solo, solo, solo. Solo, solo, solo. Solo, solo, solo. That's what it would do. That's what it sounds like on the guitar.
It's pretty accurate representation.
Yeah.
What is happening to our show tonight?
Inches. If I could find a way to see this stray, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. So I run into the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. Waiting for this cold syrup to calm down, calm down. Thank you so much.